Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, September the second, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle. Three puzzles are left: binary, jigsaw, Sudoku, and you are interested in this one? Yes, the Four Stars Sudoku number 9197. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, as usual, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. We have here three twos. We have here two threes. Three fours. Three fives. Two sixes. Four sevens. Yes. Three eights. And two nines. So the sevens are a majority. Can I start with 7? Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in third row, 7 in second row. So the first row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. 2, 4, and a 3. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 in the last row. Oh, wait. Need to wait. Then need a 4 there. 3, 3, need a 3 there, need a 3 here. 8. Well, we have 8 in this row. 8 in the row below, so last row, the only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, 8. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So one box left with a 7 in this big square. Show me them. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, now only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in that row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Okay. 6 here. 6 there. 5. 5 there. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. Well, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in those two boxes. So 1 box left with a 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 2. All right. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this row. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. These 3 missing numbers are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Well, 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. The 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The 4 here. And the 4 there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next down. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 6 and 3. Need a 1 here. 1, 1. With the 9. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes down. The 5 here. 1, 5, and the 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on. How about, need a 3 here, need a 3 there, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 3, wait. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 in the third row should be there. 6 and the 3. We have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and the 6. All right. Okay. Well. 10 minutes already passed. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. This one. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the only place left of the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 9, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow! Cannot believe this. This one is very quick to solve. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.